Now the question is, find the area between the curve y is equal to x square minus 4x using integration. Now I have drawn a rough sketch for this question. Now it is below the x axis, okay. So how to proceed now? See very carefully. Now let y is equal to x square minus 4x, or we can write it y is equal to x minus 4. Now when y is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now here x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Now point of intersection of parabola and x axis are, we are having at origin 0, 0 and at point B, it is 4, 0, as you are saying 0, 0 and 4, 0. Now let us plot a parabola. Now plotting values of parabola. Y is equal to x minus 4. X and y. Now when x is equal to 0, y is 0, x is minus 1, y is 5, x is 1, y is minus 3, then minus 2, it is 12, plus 2, it is minus 4, and then 4 and it is 0. Sorry, yes, x is 4, y is 0. So these are the points. Now area, required area is equal to area of the region OABO. Now required area is equal to 0 to 4 y dx. Now this implies 0 to 4 x square minus 4x with dx. Okay. Now on solving, what we are getting? We are getting x cube upon 3 minus 4x square upon 2 with 0 to 4. Now this is x cube upon 3 minus 2x square 0 to 4. Now this is equal to, now 64 upon 3, because x we have to take 4 cube, 64 upon 3 minus 16 with 2, it is 32 minus 0, because x is 0. Now this we are getting as 64 minus 96 upon 3, and this is equal to negative of 32 upon 3. Now area, area cannot be negative. Area of, now because it is negative, so what we are going to write it, area is equal to absolute value for 0 to 4 x square minus 4x dx is equal to minus 32 upon 3, and this is equal to 32 upon 3 square units. Now this is one of the method. Okay. Now alternative method. Alternative method. Now what alternative method says? Now this says that required area is equal to 0 to 4 negative of y dx. Negative of y dx means what? Required area is below x-axis. Is it clear? Required area is below x-axis, so that's why we are taking negative of y dx. Now this becomes what? Now this becomes 0 to 4 negative of x square minus 4x dx. Okay, same thing now. Now this becomes negative of x cube upon 3 minus 2x square from 0 to 4 as we have done it. X cube upon 3 minus 4x square upon 2. So this becomes x cube upon 3 minus 2x square. So I am directly writing from here. So what the result is now? The result is now negative of minus 32 by 3 and this is equal to 32 upon 3 square units. Okay. Already solved. Okay, this we have already solved this side. Okay, so I just want to make you the difference between the written part. If we are doing directly this portion, then our answer will be in the negative. Don't write area in the negative, take the absolute value and then write the required answer. Or you can move like this. If area, required area, whatever you want to find, that is below the x-axis, okay, then you have to move with minus y into dx. Okay, and by chance if the area and you are having the question and it goes to the y axis, then it will be x of dy. Okay, then if it goes this side, then it will be negative of x of dy. Okay, so like this we can go with all the questions.